otherworldly landscape.
This is so beyond cool. The ground is all jagged. You can see the striations of the lava flow as it cooled. And we feel like the only people on Earth here. It's absolutely incredible.
Yeah, we like it. And Suze gets a pretty cool fanny pack.
Bojo!
All right. Barren wastelands of the volcanoes where nothing can grow here. But we are on the island where Jurassic Park was filmed. And let me just tell you this, what we see here. Life finds a way.
This is just crazy to me. This whole terrain is being completely newly formed every day. There's this vast expanse of space that hasn't been charted yet because it's constantly changing. And you see it's moving and flowing every day, all the time. We're standing in a place that nobody's ever stood before. But it was probably different when they walked in. It's different now that we're walking in. It feels incredibly special to be part of the journey of this land.
Solid rock just folded up like that. Gotcha.
And there's Ben destroying it. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, it's hot over here. Look, I can see it glowing all the way down there. I don't know if you can. You bring your marshmallows?
So hot.
send me someone to love.